copyrighted telecast of the Philippine Basketball Association may not be retransmitted or produced or rebroadcast without the written consent of the PBA.
Fantastic play, spectacular. Exploring the basket. And one quarter for the captain. Yes! Back picking up his stem. They gotta raise the roof there. Oh my God. My goodness.
Back here at the Araneta Coliseum, ladies and gentlemen, this overtime period is brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Tingnan natin kung...
Alam mo, partner, parang Game 7 na ito, no?
Oh!
With all the marbles at stake. The way both these teams have played.
Pero alam naman natin kasi...
talaga, grabe.
There's a lot at stake here kasi gusto mo makaungos dito. Tingnan mo, with a second remaining, ayan, napikan ni Olsen. He had a good line. He had a good look at the basket. Parang papasok, nagsigawan, nagtayuan yung mga tao. Lumabas. So,
Na-challenge yung tira ni Racela.
Oh.
One thing for sure. And of course, you've got to commend Barangay Ginebra. They didn't give up the foul.
Again, mga kaibigan, papasok po tayo sa 5-minute overtime period in Game 5 of the best-of-7 final series between Barangay Ginebra and San Miguel Beer.
You know, both teams are so well coached.
Oh, maganda ngayon. Oh.
The adjustments and the way they've planned game after game. And I think you have to give credit to Ron Jacobs because siya naman ang siguro ang was the one who taught the rudiments of coaching to both these coaches.
Totoo yan.
With Chico at si Kay Dick.
Again, this overtime period brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Pero wala pong kinalaman yung pag-i-sponsor nila kung sino mananalo rito. Sapagkat talagang walang tulak kabigin dito sa dalawang ito. Bal David has it. 88 all ang naging score po in regulation. 88 all. Jun Limpot. In and out. Oy! Hinagaw na Olsen Racela sa foul.
Alam mo, dito sa overtime period, bagamat 5 minutes ang hinaharap natin, mabilis yan, ha?
Usually, mabilis talaga.
And
mas mabilis yan kesa doon sa last 5 minutes of regulation.
At tapos yung foul limit mo is only 2. You get into penalty situation kaagad.
Ronald Magtulis with inbound for Barangay Ginebra. Bal David has it.
Matagal-tagal na natin hindi napapanood si Alex Crisano, but he's in the game.
Ito si Jun Limpot. Ang hindi na talaga binalik si JJ Helterman.
Yes. A big decision on the part of Kay Dick to go with Bal David.
Jun Limpot kicks it out. Inabot. Inabot ang 24-second shot clock.
Nagtagal kay Jun Limpot yung bola, partner, no? Bago niya pinasa. Well, kulang din sa galaw, no? There was not enough movement. Not enough movement. Stagnant yung opensa ng Barangay Ginebra. Kanya, hindi mo din masisisi si Jun Limpot. Wala siya mapasahan. At saka nandun naman yung depensa ng San Miguel. Okay, let's see what Ginebra can do on its part sa depensa.
Here's Danny Ildefonso against Alex Crisano. Nilabas ka Olsen Racela back to Ildefonso. Ildefonso moving closer. Inside pass! Reverse layup by Nick Velasco. And San Miguel is on top by 2. 90-88.
Yun ang patented play nila, partner, no? Nick Velasco sneaking via the back door and getting the shot, the jump hook.
Magtulis out to Kagiwa. Kagiwa top of the key. Open shot for Bal David. Wala. Limpot para sa offensive rebound. Nalabas kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa, iniwanan si Single. Binigay kay Jun Limpot. Libre. Wala rin. Crisano. Wala. Crisano ulit. Nakakuha ni Nick Velasco. May jump ball situation. At nagkakagulo sa San Miguel bench. Nagkakagulo yung mga San Miguel Beer players.
Well,
hindi sila makapaniwala.
Feeling nila over the back foul. And ayan ang mga player at saka mga coaching staff ng San Miguel. Ang feeling nila, nakuha na ng San Miguel. Ito, watch it here.
Ayun.
Our view was obstructed.
Medyo natakpan eh. So anyway,
but
ang
of course,
decision ng referee.
May inside rebounding position kasi si Nick Velasco. No?
Kaya si Nick Velasco, maapila pa kay referee Chua.
For you to force the jump, you must have jumped higher than the one with the inside position.
Mark Kagiwa puts it up. Whoa! 90 all. All na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Ano ba ito? Wala bang katapusan itong laro nito? 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining.
Hanggang hating gabi tayo rito. And I'm sure the fans won't mind it.
Okay lang. Danny Ildefonso. Oy, walang double team doon.
At binura niya yung depensa ni Alex Crisano.
That's
Sinagasaan niya. No way Crisano could stop that shot. Determinado na si Danny Ay.
2-point lead by San Miguel. 92 to 93 minutes left in overtime. Jun Limpot. Laban kay Danny Siegel. That's a double team. And there's a steal. Tumatakbo sa Olsen Rosell. Mark Caguio alongside him. Siegel!
Trail job by Danny Siegel. Ito na, tumatakbo yung San Miguel Beer.
4 na puntos na kalamangan ng San Miguel. 94 to 90. 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Sabi mo nga, mabilis itong 5 minutes na ito sa overtime eh. Val David has it. Jun Limpot, tumingi na pasa. Limpot against Ildefonso. He puts it up. High arching shot. Wala. And Rosella has the rebound. San Miguel up by 4. 4-point lead by San Miguel Beer. Danny Ildefonso against Crisano. Ito na naman si Danny Ay. Oh, foul on Crisano. 94 to 90. Alalahanin po ninyo mga kaibigan, in the majority of this ball game, in most of this ball game, ang lumalamang po ang Barangay Ginebra. Pero ito nakaungos na San Miguel Beer. They have a 4-point lead with 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the game, in the overtime period rather. At si Danny Ildefonso nasa linya.
Ang papasok dito for Barangay Ginebra, Calpito at saka si Vergel Meneses. Again, no sign of Helterbrand. Ildefonso sinking the first free throw.
Danny Ildefonso did not score in the first half. He has 12 points now to go with 10 rebounds.
Redemption ito, partner, for the two Dannys.
Oo.
Kung sakaling manalo dito San Miguel, the two Dannys really lifted their game up several notches.
Totoo yan. Ating kaibigang bagong mayor dyan sa Balayan, Batangas, Mayor Mark Fronda. Binabati ka namin. Danny Ildefonso makes it a 6-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. Val David. As we go to the last 2 minutes of overtime, brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette. Umatras si Jun Limpot. Uy, pangalawa, ayaw pa rin. Bumagsak si Nick Velasco. And it'll stay with Barangay Ginebra. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining.
Well, kita natin, partner, hindi na dinodouble ng San Miguel ito si Jun Limpot. They want him to try to take the game over and not Mark Caguio.
Samantala may timeout si Alan Kaidik. Magandang gabi muli sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybayan ng Bayan ng Superstars. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Kinito Henson. At yan, kasama ang dagsang mga tao.
Para fiesta rito.
Oy, more than a fiesta.
Yan, we always believe. Ba yan ang motto ng New York Knicks when they played against the San Antonio Spurs. The NBA Finals 2 years ago. We believe. Now, dito sa overtime period, Barangay Ginebra, 1 out of 7 from the floor. San Miguel Beer, 3 out of 4.
And it's a 6-point lead by San Miguel Beer with 1 minute and 49 remaining.
Alam mo, ito San Miguel, pinapabayaan si Jun Limpot to try to make the big shot. Para lang hindi makahawak ng bola ito si Caguio. Tsaka yung ibang mga player ng Ginebra. And they have to call another timeout because wala silang mapasahan from the inbound. Now, in the overtime period, this is where championship experience comes in.
Totoo yan.
At dito nakikita natin, kulang na kulang sa experience itong Ginebra.
Okay, we'll be right back, folks. I'd like to remind you once again, this overtime period is brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Yan po ang ating score with 1 minute and 49 remaining in overtime. At tingnan natin, makababalik pa ba itong Barangay Ginebra? Kanina po, sila ang lumalamang ng matagal dito. Vergel Meneses with a quick inbounds play here by Barangay Ginebra is fouled.
And that's a great pass, partner, and a great play. Konting oras lang ang nabawas. But yet, now Ginebra has stopped the clock and they have a chance to score 2 points at the line.
Fifth foul on Danny Siegel. Siya nga pala, no? I'd like to remind you about the NBA Playoffs Conference Semis. Philadelphia 76ers versus the Toronto Raptors. 2-all ito. 2-all din ito, di ba? Philadelphia-Toronto, Game 5.
Yes, 2-all yan.
Oo. Bukas ito, May 17 at 12 noon to 2 p.m. on RPN 9 and 5:30 to 8 p.m. on IBC 13. Uy! Wala pareho!
2 missed foul shots.
Naku.
Oh boy.
Dalawang mintis.
Masakit yun for Barangay Ginebra.
Very painful. Danny Ildefonso has it.
Calpito playing hurt, playing defense.
Siegel is open! Wala. Loose ball. Dumayb si Jun Limpot. And there's going to be a foul.
Oh, si Siegel.
Foul down. Anim.
Pang-anim na kay Danny Siegel.
We still have 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining. San Miguel Beer is in the lead by 6. 96-90, but Danny Siegel fouls out of the game.
Danny Siegel.
Siegel sinasabi niya, 5 lang yata.
Moves out. At si Dwight Lago pumasok.
Alright, 1:27 remaining. At nasa penalty na po ang San Miguel because dito sa overtime, you get into the penalty after your second foul. So 2 shots here for Jun Limpot.
Again, this is a big break for Barangay Ginebra. Natigil nila yung oras and they have a chance to score once more from the line. Biruin mo kung naka-score si Vergel Meneses kanina ng 2 free throws.
Dapat 3 na lang.
Oo.
Samantala sa Western Conference naman ng NBA, Semis Game 4, Los Angeles Lakers versus the Sacramento Kings. Sa Biyernes naman ito, 12 noon to 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. over IBC 13. Jun Limpot misses. Calpito! Whoa!
Oh, we've got a
big basket. Down to a 3-point lead by San Miguel.
Malaking bagay yun. 3-point play in reverse.
A minute and 18 seconds remaining.
Mental lapse on San Miguel's part.
Marami na nakatayo rito. Daniel Ildefonso maatras lamang kay Banjo Calpito. And then, natapik. Ay! Tumama kay Daniel Ildefonso. It goes out for Barangay Ginebra.
Banjo Calpito. Key player. The last 2 plays. Key player.
Even if he's playing hurt, may injury po yan si Banjo Calpito, but he's playing heads-up basketball.
Oh boy. Siya nakakuha ng offensive rebound with a putback. Ngayon naman, a big defensive play.
Jun Limpot puts it up. Parang binatalo ng Jun Limpot yun. He was actually fishing for a foul.
Hinahanap niya foul.
Instead.
Pero partner, napapansin natin dito. Hindi rin napupunta kay Mark Caguiwa ang bola.
A shade under 1 minute remaining. San Miguel leading by 3 at 96-93. Kita po ninyo sa Coach Alan Kaidik. In between gulps of water. Shouting out instructions. Lago to Abuda. Abuda nagdadala ng bola. Freddy Abuda pa rin. Looking around. Binigay kay Lago. Here's Rosella. 14 seconds on the shot clock for San Miguel. They're up by 3.
Both teams in the penalty. Walang double team kay Danny Ildefonso.
Ildefonso. One-hander! No! Caguiwa with the rebound to Calpito. Back to Caguiwa. 35 seconds to go. 3-point lead by San Miguel Beer. Bal David has it.
Tatawag ng timeout? Hindi.
Mark Caguiwa. Back to Bal David. Bal David is up. Caguiwa's open! Caguiwa's open!
And it's a basket. Isa na lang alamang.
And the pitch to Daniel Ildefonso broken up by Jun Limpot. 19 seconds to go. 1-point lead by San Miguel Beer.
A big shot by Mark Caguiwa.
Ano ba ito? Hindi na tayo uwi. We have a
point lead.
We have a timeout, folks. We have a timeout. Ito, panoorin po ninyo mga kaibigan na nangyari no last sequence para sa Barangay Ginebra. Naghihintay lang doon si Mark Caguioa. Libre at pinuntirya ni Mark Caguioa. He cuts the lead of San Miguel Beer down to 1. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer with 19 seconds remaining. Nakita pa ninyo ang reaksyon ni Coach Alan Kaidik. But they're still down by 1.
Ayan ang dahilan, kasamang Ed, kung bakit ayaw talaga ng San Miguel na makahawak ng bola ito si Mark Caguioa.
At merong announcement dito. Ang ating Coliseum announcer na si Vincent Price, reminding everyone, kasi may mga nagtatapunan ng mga paypay, no? Yung mga paypay na yan, okay lang yan, hindi naman nakakasakit yan. Kaya alam ko minsan, pumupunta sa hard court habang naglalaro, nakaka-distract din sa mga player yan. So,
19.1 seconds to go. Partner, parehong team, nasa penalty situation.
That's
you
right.
ask the question, will Ginebra give up the foul immediately to put San Miguel on the line and stop the clock? Or will they try to play tough defense, try to go for a steal, and with about 10 seconds to go, kung wala pa silang steal, will they give up the foul to stop the clock?
May gabi diya sa Ormoc, pohon, ugma, anhakos. Kita sa akong pagumangkon, si Martin, si Abigail, o si Mayan. Hoy, pinaul, si Danny Ildefonso.
So hindi nila hinintay yung 10-second limit with 16.6 seconds to go. Tinigil nila yung oras, titira si Ildefonso. Ildefonso, a reawakening dito sa game number 5, partner. Last 2 games, hindi man na naka-score ng double figure si Danny Ai. Pero dito, in this game, yan na ang kanyang production. 13 points and 8 rebounds. At partner,
Si JJ Helterbrand, papasok.
may papasok dito na bago. Si Helterbrand, na kanina pa natin tinatanong kung bakit hindi siya naibalik.
Kasi umuusok ito si JJ Helterbrand. Nung pinasok ito towards the end of the first quarter and into the second quarter.
Yeah, magtulis at pinalitan.
At
Ito
mukhang
naman,
may papasok din si Coach Joey Chico. Si Mike Bustre. Na hindi pa naglalaro din sa larong ito.
who is a defensive player.
Ba? Si Freddy Abuda.
Match up with quickness, partner. No?
Oo.
At si Mike Bustre ang tatawa ngayon kay Mark Caguioa.
97-95 mga kaibigan. 2-point lead by San Miguel. 16.6 seconds to go. May isa pang tira si Danny Ildefonso. 16.6 seconds to go in overtime.
Ildefonso needs this free throw.
And he makes it. A 3-point lead by San Miguel with 16 seconds left.
Walang timeout na tumawag.
Bal David, sinalubog ni Olsen Racela. Bal David pa rin.
They need a 3-point shot.
Mark Caguioa has
They
it.
need it badly.
5 seconds to go. Mark Caguioa, inaagaw ni Mike Bustre. Tumira si Mark Caguioa, wala! And San Miguel will take this. San Miguel will take
3-2 lead for San Miguel.
Game 5. A long, drawn-out affair na punong-puno po ng aksyon at ng suspense. Itong labang ito ng Barangay Ginebra at San Miguel Beer finally ending in a 3-point win by San Miguel Beer here in overtime.
Partner, it looks like wala nang timeout yung Barangay Ginebra. I can't be too sure. Kanya hindi sila nakatawag na timeout because they could have advanced the ball to midcourt and set up for the last shot.
That's right. And so, it is a 3-point win nga po ng San Miguel Beer over Barangay Ginebra. At kagaya po na sinabi natin, all game long ay tuloy-tuloy po. Walang humpay, walang pugnat ang aksyon dito. At narito po ang ating Viva Mineral Water Best Players of the Game. Eto, Danny Boyce.
Dalawa na pili natin, partner, because this was a night of redemption for Danny Siegel and Danny Ildefonso. Ito, makita natin ang performance ni Danny Siegel. He fouled out, but before fouling out, 28 points and 10 rebounds. At si Danny Ildefonso naman, coming from 2 back-to-back single-figure scoring.
And didn't score in the first half.
Yes, produced 15 points, big numbers with 9 rebounds, and more importantly, partner, 6 assists.
Yan ang naging decoy din para sa San Miguel. So, grabe yung laro nyo. Sabi nga nung kaibigan ko si Mark Ruba.
Classic.
Oo.
The way both teams played, talagang bigay na bigay. All-out war is what we saw in Game 5.